Well, hello everybody. I posted a video over 2 years ago on a lawn boy no start condition, and I in essence just showed going through the carburetor. A little backstory on this. When I put my mowers away, I put very little fuel in them, and if I run out mid-mow, I just put a little bit more because I don't like storing them with a lot of fuels in the tanks. So I just got a comment about 45 minutes to an hour ago on that video, and a gentleman stated he followed the video, which was helpful to him, but questioned my putting in the float at a specific point in the video, and did I put it in upside down? And the short answer is I absolutely did. His symptoms were the fuel wouldn't shut off, clearly because the float could not close, and he was pumping the oil and the gas out through the muffler, things of that nature. So I've pulled it off. I was getting ready to mow, and we're going to open this up together in real time and just verify that I did in fact put that float in upside down. I hadn't had the symptoms he was referring to, like I said, because I put very little fuel in them, and they're pretty much almost empty, if not empty, when I put my equipment away. My screwdriver's not really the right size, but we're going to muscle through this anyway. Alright guys, here we go. Survey says it is 100% in there upside down. Wow. I cannot believe I made that mistake, but I own up to them when I do. See these little cutouts right here? They're supposed to face the carburetor itself. So I did put this in upside down. I'm fixing it over 2 years past the fact. I just simply need to turn the needle to the other side and put it back in where it belongs. I did it again, look at that. Unbelievable. How's that go? Okay, it goes this way. Wow. Well, that's the idea anyway. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this up again since I'm in here and start fresh and new with it correct this time. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.